Hey guys, if you want to learn how I came from looking like this to this, then just keep on watching. Thanks guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to be doing is a Valentine's Day look. Valentine's is around the corner, so I want to try to get something out before it all ends. And today we're going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. I have not used it. This is the first time I'm using it. So let's take a look and see. I just really want to know if this does smell like chocolate. This is the first Too Faced palette that I own. So, oh man, it does. It smells like chocolate. This is Benefit Browvo Conditioner Primer. Now we're going to go in with our Anastasia Pomade in Ebony. Every time I have my makeup done and I go pick up Leo to school, which I barely, it's only been like 2 times that I have my makeup on. But every time I go, the teachers always ask me if I get my eyebrows tattooed. I'm like, no. And like, it's makeup. So I take it off at night. They're like, oh my god, they're so beautiful. And they ask me what kind of products I use. And I told them Anastasia. So that every time I go now, they're like, oh, I have to go pick that up. I have to pick that up. And I'm like, yeah, you have to. I'm going back in with a fluffy brush. This is ABH Cosmetics brush. Lately, I've been purchasing some Amazon brushes and they're not that bad. I mean, they get the job done. They're pretty good. This is gonna be like a first impressions Valentine's Day look because it's the first time I use any of the Too Faced palette. I don't own any. So this is the first time I use it. Now for the rest of the lid, I'm going to be using MAC Soft Ochre. And we're going to set that with our Laura Mercier translucent powder. Let's just dust that off. Just go back in with Rolling in Dough. And we're going to be using this on our Browvo. So we're going to take a fluffy brush and we're going to dip into So Boujee for our transition shade. We're going to go in a slight deeper with the Cocoa Truffle with the same brush. Right under it. We're going to be doing windshield wiper motions and some circle motions to get that nice blender effect. I'm going to go in with a bigger fluffy brush just to blend that all out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dip in my Z palette. This is all MakeupGeek eyeshadows. Simple Marlena, and I am going to add this on my crease as well, just to give it a little bit more pink. Notice how I didn't go in with straight pink. I wanted to add those transition shades. It gives her a very natural look. It's not like there's like straight up pink everywhere, you know. So I'll go back in with So Boujee and blend out those harsh lines between the So Marlena. This is Cocoa Truffle. Just gonna deepen that up a little bit more. When you feel like you got too much of a pink going on, you just add some more of the Browvo highlight to remove some of that, and then you go back and blend it out. Like right here, I thought it was too much coming up, so that's what I did. Then you go back and blend it out. This is a Pigment by Makeup Addiction French Manicure. So we sprayed the Dewy Skin Mist. So it's a pink colored pigment and it has some gold reflex. Too Faced palette, shade called Decadent. We're gonna go in with a small fluffy brush, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pen. And we're just gonna try to darken up that V. Okay, so we went with a straight black here to deepen out our outer V. But I want to go in with a purple color just to accentuate the pink color that we had used before. I'm not going to use this one because this one looks like it has some shimmer. It definitely has some sheen to it, so I don't want to use that on my crease. So what I'd rather use is pretty purple though. Very pretty. I'm going to go back in with Simply Marlena just so that I go be pink again. I'm going in with Poppy from MakeupGeek just to do a little transitioning. To clean that up, we're going to use our trusty Tarte Shape Tape. WetNWild, this is the correcting palette. I'm using it in the yellow tone. Just in that area. We're just going to dab it in that area. Let's just set that so it doesn't go anywhere. And we're going to go in with our beauty blender. We're gonna go in with our foundation using the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. So what are you guys gonna do Valentine's Day? I probably just stay home with my husband and the kids, and most likely I'm gonna have to make dinner. Maybe on the weekends we'll go out. I don't know yet. I'm not sure. We haven't made any plans yet. Fuck! I didn't prep my skin. Great. This was actually a set I got from Amazon, and they work pretty well. I mean, they feel a little flimsy, like if I go in too rough with my skin, I'm sure they'll break, but I'm not trying to buy the expensive set, so the Amazon will do. I mean, it gets the job done. So it's been so long since I filmed a tutorial. It's been like 2 weeks literally. Let's dampen our beauty blender, making sure that we're pressing the foundation into our skin. Great, now you're gonna see all my damn pores. Now we're gonna go in with our Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. Look at my pores right here showing through. Hello. How the hell am I gonna forget? How? This will be the first time that I actually do my makeup and wear it the rest of the day. Yesterday I woke up extra early to film this tutorial. I usually do it at nighttime, but today I was like, no, I'm gonna wake up at 4 in the morning and I'm gonna film and actually wear my makeup out in daytime. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna quickly set that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, after you're done looking like a powdery mess, we're gonna go in with our bronzer. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this MAC and Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish just to give us some color. Just to bronze up the skin. Because we're looking a little too ghostly right now. We're gonna remove all that powder with this. We're gonna go in lightly with these two colors right here. The Shading Light palette. So the first ones I'm gonna use, I want to have more of a pinky tone in that bottom part, so I'm gonna use Simply Marlena by MakeupGeek. Cocoa Truffle. Oh my god, this palette seriously smells good. I'm getting hungry. We're gonna go in with the black, the shade Decadent, just to deepen up that. You see how it just makes it purple? So pretty. Making it purple was not my intention. It just mixed together with black, but it looks really nice. To curl our lashes. Today we're going to be using the Poise Kiss lashes. I like to curl these in 3 parts. At the base, in the mid, and in the right at the tips, just so that I know that my lashes are really curled, so that when I add the falsies, they curl right into the falsies and they're not sticking underneath the falsies. So I'm using the dual lash glue just because it has an applicator. It makes it so much easier to apply the glue to the lashes. I don't like the squeezing method like I said before because it makes a mess. Okay, let's try this new one. I got this as a sample. It's the Lancome. I'm not even try to say this name, but here it is for you guys. I'm not gonna try to say them. I just know it says big. So let's see how big these babies get. And I'm using this e.l.f. Mineral Infused Mascara for my bottom. I like the way that this is a skinny applicator, so it gets right in there. Let's remove that bake. Today's blush, I'm going to be using the MakeupGeek Blush in Head Over Heels. Holy moly, I think I added too much. Let's blend that out. It's pretty though. It looks like it has some shimmer. Using the Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. Let's go with this kitty cat, just because it's pink and it's Valentines. A big shout out to Jeffree Star for making this humongous mirrors on his highlighter. I use this mirror all the time. Even though I have a mirror in front of me, I use this all the time when I put my lashes on, just because I will get into my mess with it. I do wait a while to get them nice and tacky so that I can just pop them in there and they get stuck like really easily. Because if you don't wait enough, then it's going to make it slippery and sloppy all over the place. So the extra time to ensure that they'll be nice and tacky for you. See how easy it has to be when you wait. This really has to be the hardest decision, but let's start with the liner. This is Swirl by MAC. Okay, we're gonna go in Marc Jacobs. This is named Slow Burn. This is such a cute. And for a gloss, we're gonna go with the Jouer Oasis. We're gonna finish it off with some Fix Plus. So that completes our makeup look for today. This is a nice, pretty Valentine's Day look. Whenever you want to go out, you want to have dinner with your husband, with your boyfriend, with your friend. This is such, it came out pretty nice. I am loving it. I did blow dry my hair last night. That's why it has some nice body and some curls to wear. I hope you guys like this tutorial for the Valentine's Day look. I think it came out super cute. I wish it was Valentine's already so I could actually wear this out. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and push that notification bell just to get notified when I do my weekly uploads of a vlog and makeup tutorials. I'm trying to get this schedule rolling. I want to try to do my vlogs during the weekend and makeup looks during the week. So hopefully that works out. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments below, and I hope you guys will create it. If you guys do, please let me know by hashtagging Glammedbyjocey on Instagram. It smells like chocolate, man. I am recording. Yes, I am. Yo, I just woke up, so I was like, I don't wanna. Por poquito me duermo. Damn, I don't even know what the hell I'm gonna do. Jesus, pigment went all over the damn place. Now I have pigment all over. Great. Pigment all over the damn place. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go wash our hands because this pigment is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Great, now you're gonna see all my damn pores. Curly. Ow. Damn, I think I overdid it with the Fix Plus. Look at my fucking eye.